There is a great deal of chaos in our world lately. Some days I feel like I'm in the twilight zone, and I've morphed into an alternative reality. Other days I am so glad that there are others like me, awake to the dire need for a better way to live. This chaos has saddened my heart. I'm a sensitive soul, and one that desires peace for humanity. I like to be solution-based. I used to buy bags of lemons for others when they faced a hard time in life and told them to make lemonade as a ritual to focusing on a solution. Now, along with others, we are doing that. There is so much wrong in the world. There is so much greed, hate, slander, slavery, and predatory behavior of all manners. However, there are some really decent, good humans that want solutions too. I've had the privilege of meeting some of them. I've spent time talking with them, and they are from different places around the world. I've come to know their heart, and they have shown that there are parts of humanity that are ready to ascend to a new kind of society. We are ready to embrace a place without leaders, without greed and money, and without predatory behavior. Imagine, if you will, that we form communities. These communities can be as small as your family, and they can be based on mutual concern without politics. If everyone works in cooperation, you can build a homestead based on forward-thinking ideas. This is what some of us have been working towards. The harm caused by traditional energy sources, modified foods, polluted water, and an atmosphere bombarded with radiation and chemicals is not what we want for our children or for us. Instead, we seek a solution based on simple principles and ethics. We will lead ourselves and care for each other. By taking responsibility for our lives, we will live more simply. We will be in harmony with the planet and each other. If we think that the earth is abundant and provides what we need with balance, then we can live in abundance and gladly leave the world of chaos behind. This journey is one that I hope many more will take as we face a time where human life and all life on this planet has been devalued to the point of possible extinction. We want a better way. We want love for humanity. We want a free life with real respect of free will. Come with us on this journey and see for yourself. When we stop listening to all the chaos and focus on solutions, then we can become one.